Have you ever wondered how top companies keep their teams sharp, motivated, and future-ready? It all comes down to three words: learning and development, or L&D. But what exactly does that mean? And why is it so critical in a world full of work? Let's break it down. Learning and development is a systematic process within organizations to enhance the skills, knowledge, and capabilities of employees. Think of it as a company's way of investing in its people, not just for the job they have today, but for the roles they might take on tomorrow. It includes everything from training programs and workshops to mentorship, e-learning, leadership coaching, and even certification. In simple terms, L&D helps people grow, and when people grow, businesses grow too. Why it matters? In a world where technology evolves every second and job roles keep shifting, staying still is not an option. Learning and development bridges the skills gap, improves employee performance, and boosts job satisfaction. Companies with strong L&D strategies see higher engagement, better retention, and a stronger competitive edge. It's not just about training, it's about building a culture where continuous learning is part of everyday work life. L&D typically involves three core components: training, for technical, soft, or leadership skills; development, long-term growth through coaching, stretch assignments, or career paths; performance support, tools, resources, or feedback that help people apply what they've learned on the job. And thanks to digital transformation, L&D is now more personalized, data-driven, and flexible than ever before. Future of L&D. The future of learning and development is agile, tech-centric, and employee-centric. From AI-powered learning platforms to gamified experiences, organizations are rethinking how learning happens. And at the center of it all, a commitment to empowering people to reach their full potential. Because when employees grow, organizations don't just survive, they thrive. So whether you're a professional looking to upskill or a leader building a learning culture, L&D is the key to unlocking success. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy's channel for more insights into learning, leadership, and career growth. Let's keep learning together.